As an employer, you want to keep your employees as productive as possible. Time missed from the job can have a domino effect on a team or project. And a common cause for time missed is waiting for auto repairs. Behlmann Automotive in Troy has the solution. Our exclusive VIP Concierge Service program. In just 3 easy steps, your employees' vehicles can be repaired without missing any time at work. Step 1. Just have your employees contact one of our 2 dealerships and ask for our concierge team. They can then arrange a time for their vehicle to be picked up at their home or at work. Step 2. One of our friendly team members will pick up their vehicle and leave them with a clean loaner car to use while their vehicle is in the shop. Once in our service department, Behlmann's team of factory-trained technicians will take good care of their vehicle. First, they'll check the alignment and battery at no charge, and then take care of whatever service work is requested, minor or major. To wrap it up, Behlmann will even wash their vehicle. Step 3. When all work is done, they will be contacted to arrange for their vehicle to be returned. Again, this can be at work, back at home, or wherever is most convenient for them. All payment details can be handled then. With 2 service departments, Behlmann can handle whatever your employees' service needs are. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or warranty work on a Buick, GMC, Cadillac, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram, an oil change, new tires, or any minor or major repair work on any other make or model vehicle. Behlmann even has a newly expanded collision repair center if any bodywork is needed. This is the type of service sometimes offered by very expensive luxury brands, but Behlmann offers our VIP Concierge Service to anyone, whether they bought their vehicle from Behlmann or not. And there is no extra charge. That's right, no extra charge. So if you want to keep your employees productive and on the job, recommend Behlmann Automotive's exclusive no-charge VIP Concierge Service program. It's just another reason why we say, you can't do better than Behlmann.